AgustD D-Day, the movie. So my cousin and I went to see the movie. It was awesome, and we kind of remember all the stuff we did when we went to the concert. She ended up giving me this mini Funko Jimin keychain, so I wanted to make her something as well. Here I'm just using some vinyl, and I'm using the inverse technique that some people recommended to use, but it didn't work out as well for me, so I'm just going to be using the regular method. I use black and gray for the logo and for the letters also, which ended up looking kind of not showing at the end. You're going to be seeing that later on the video. But anyways, these keychains that I got, you have to remove this plastic that they have so you're able to work on them. This is the UV resin I use. It's on my Amazon list. You go to lexicards.com, you can find it there. Also, the lamp is there. I just added some glitter, cured it, and then added more of the UV resin to make sure it was flat before I added the decal, like right here. I'm just going to add the decal, and after that, you add more UV resin to make it flat on the top as well, or even if you want to call it that. And that was it. That's all I did. I struggled a little bit because it had a bunch of tiny details, but here is a tip. When you're using this type of keychains, put something on the middle between those two little lines to help yourself slide it through your keychain much easier, much faster. So yeah, this was the keychain. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.